Hey, hi all. Very welcome you all to the Simply Learn channel. So my name is Vivek. So we gonna see today about like VBA automation through AI. So why I took this topic and why I wanted to share with you is like so in today's life, like everyone who is working in IT, program management, accounts, whatever it is, Excel is one of the key most important tool which we definitely use. So in that, like we have like multiple ways of working. Like we do a lot of manual stuffs and where and all required, we used to edit to dashboards, create and multiple things. But still, few people still are using the old traditional way of manually working on. But we have something called like VBA automation through AI. We don't need any kind of coding knowledge or something to write, sit and down, prepare tool preparation or nothing. You don't need to do anything. You just need to give some prompts and AI will generate you for that, and you can do it in within seconds, simplify your work. So that's what we're gonna see today. So before we start, right? So I just want to give a gist of like what we're gonna see. So today we'll be having a small example of Excel where the data would be like very messy up. We're gonna clean it that up with just a prompt with AI and through VBA. So people who doesn't know about VBA, so VBA is like Visual Basic Administrator, which is a macro-based automation where it does all the redundant work which we used to do in a repeated way in a faster way like within seconds I'm saying. Okay, so this is all about we're gonna see today. So if in future if you want more number of videos to be shared within same of like VBA automations, Python automations, and I request you please subscribe to the channel so that it will get motivated for me and I can also like post more videos. So we quickly jump into our content today. So we have a Excel file here. Okay, so we have something called Excel file. So what I'm gonna show is that. So this is the data. So you can see the data file here, which has the number of columns like name, date, and amount. You can see here the date, the name and amount are like messed up. It's not so clean as per not required. So what we gonna do? So as in a traditional way, what we gonna do is like we can go up and like go and edit them. Like I can change this John to J. I can do all those things. But why? Why should I do that? Why it is so okay? Here now the rows are like less than 6 or 7. Okay. What if it has 1,000 plus rows? Will you be able to do it manually? How much time it will consume? It will take hours. Literally, it'll take hours. Similarly, for the name, date, you can see the date format is not aligned, and the amount it's like completely shattered. So I want to correct them all. But why would I go and do it in manual way when I have something called automation? Okay. So for that, what we're gonna do is like first we will go and write a macro. Okay, right? Write a macro since I won't write anything. It is going to write by itself. Okay, for that we just give the prompt to the AI. So but before we going to do that, we just need to have something called this developer. Okay, so this developer option should be available in Excel. If in case you don't have, don't worry, we can go to the file, click on the options, customize ribbon option will be available. If you click on that, in the right side you will be able to see this developer option. If in case it is unticked, please go and tick it up so that if it is checked only, it will be available in the bar. Okay, so once this is available, we will go into this Visual Basic. So this Visual Basic is the editor where you will be able to write all your codes. Okay, so here if you see here, the file name which is sample Excel cleanup. So this is the file name. So for that, the sheet one is the data raw data file name. So here we gonna write this code, write the code in the sense I'm not going to write anything. I'm just going to say to the AI that I need this kind of, I have this data, I need to clean it up, just give me. Okay. So now we'll go to the prompt area. So I already have the prompt. I'll just explain you what this prompt is. So I'm going to the AI. So the AI which I'm using here is Perplexity. You might ask why Perplexity. So there are like multiple AIs like ChatGPT, most commonly used. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity AIs are most commonly used AIs. There are other AIs also, but for me, Perplexity is much more easier when compared to ChatGPT. There are limitations. I have some pro version here, so you can use the pro version also. So it is available for Airtel users. Okay, so that's a different topic. I don't want to jump into that. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just pasting my prompt. I'll explain you what this prompt is all about. So if you see here, I'm just given as I have an Excel file with the sheet name raw data. I've told about my sheet name and I want a VBA macro. That's my objective. And what you need to do, you just creates and it should create a new sheet named clean data, and the header should be copied from the raw data, which is the existing data. Loop through all rows, trims extra spaces, skips blanks. So that means there should be no blank space. It should trim extra spaces and everything. And then the names column. The first column is of the names. So the name should be in proper case. The upper case should be coming up the first. And the second column should be in the proper date format. Whatever it is, it should come in date format. And third column should be in currency. So I want it in the currency, which is I have given as dollar format. And finally, it should display a message when it is completed. So I'm asking also a clean error handle VBA code that will work in Excel 2016 plus versions and all. So after giving this prompt, I'm just giving this enter. So within seconds, it will create the macro for you. So see, it's creating. We just need to give some seconds. It will just create. So for this, you don't need to have so much of coding knowledge, nothing. You don't need require anything and all. So it's just you give the prompt and it will create for you. And you just need to copy this. Once it is created, you have to copy. As I said, go to this developer tab. I'll show you again. Go to this developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. Click on your raw data file existing here and just copy the code and give Control S. Just save your code. Okay, here it is. Now the second part is to run the macro. Okay, so for that we can do it in two different ways. Either we can run it through here, the play button showing here, or we can go to the Excel file and you can see the macros option here. Once you click it, you will be having this macro what you have pasted here. It will be coming here and just give run. Within seconds, I said right, within seconds it has created data cleaning completed, clean data sheet, and you can see the names has been properly aligned, the date format is properly came, and the amount what I expected as in dollars format has came. Okay, so this is what guys I'm saying, and this is the old data raw data here, and this is the clean data here. You can see the comparison. So within seconds, understand, within seconds it has completed. So no need of any kind of coding knowledge to simplify any of your. Okay, this is again you can ask like six numbers of rows are there. It has came in seconds. Even though it has thousands of data also, it will come in few seconds. You don't need to worry at all. So this is how I just wanted to teach you about. So I am happy that I was able to give you some kind of knowledge what I have on this particular topic. In the coming future, I'll definitely able to like give you more examples, more automations, dashboard creations through Excel automations, Python automations, all through AIs. We don't need have any coding knowledge. Even I learned that way only. So I hope this video was very useful for you. If you have any comments, anything you wanted to let me know, please let me know, so that I'll also able to understand what I'm doing correct, wrong. I can improve myself. So feel free to give the comment, and I'll attach this Excel file, the raw data Excel file in the description. You can try it out yourself. Thank you. We'll meet it again. Thank you for your time.